Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. 0 we are looking at only Nifty. Time right now is 1:43. Okay, here what has happened is we have seen a clear breakout and we have a Fibo. That is where we have entered, friends. So the performance we are expecting at least so much, which is 1 is to 1.5, 1.6. In fact, the stop loss will not be so high. The stop loss would be somewhere here, 50%. Or just little below 50%. That's all. So that is the hero or zero trade for the day. Now in last 3-4 sessions hero or zero has performed well. That does not guarantee that it will perform this time also. Okay, so this is the hero or zero that we have captured. Now the reasons, everything is clear. This is one of my favorite setup for hero or zero. We don't enter here after the breakout, we enter before with a 38.2 level support. So that's how we are trading today's hero or zero. Let's wait and see how it performs. See, Bank Nifty has also given a breakout of this trend line, a retest till 38.2 and upward momentum. Nifty on the other side, this is an important trend line. Okay, important level. It has attempted to give a breakout but could not sustain. Then Nifty has given that breakout and come back to retest. So we have chosen that for a hero or zero. Last 2-3 heroes or hero and zeros were all positive, so be very careful when entering on this one. Bank Nifty has already given a breakout. Again, second breakout of this particular levels now. Okay, the Nifty can give a breakout of these levels, and that's when the hero or zero will start performing. Okay, let's wait. Bank Nifty levels are not being sustained. Hello, who all are there today? Say hi, hello, bye, whatever. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Am I audible? Okay, opening music, we are playing it now. See, those who could not enter previously here, this is the right level to enter. What will happen is they can look at Fibo support, they can look at double bottom like this, and they can look at this particular trend line breakout for an entry. Multiple reasons that you have for this entry. Okay, that's the hero or zero. In total, there are 3 reasons for entry, friends. With all these 3 reasons, if it performs good, otherwise exit at SL. So in total, there are 3 reasons to enter in hero or zero. We will move this down so it is visible. Okay, so we are simply waiting now. This can also be a trend line, friends. A very steep trend line, but yes, those who want to play very safe will wait for this trend line to break. Otherwise, these two trend lines are already done. First one, the first one is this, which is important trend line, is already done. With the help of that only we have calculated the hero or zero. No, levels can be till here. We will continue to trail if we are getting profit, friends. Not that we'll go ahead and exit at this level only. ठीक है, let's wait and see. Okay, I think it is clear now. With the addition of one line in that particular text, I think it is clear. Chalo, 5 people watching and 0 likes. Not at all accepted. If 5 people are watching, there should be at least 5 likes. There is only 1 like still. Rest 4, quickly hit the like button. Hero or zero has already given you 1:2. And still if you don't like, I'll close the stream. Forget about closing the stream. What will happen is this target will come, but the option that you have bought will not change. Chalo, quickly hit that like button. Smash it, break it. I gave you 3 reasons to buy. What else you want? This is a nice resistance zone. That is the reason there is a red candle. And I am going to turn on the AI, friends. Sorry, because there is a lot of disturbance in the background. Am I audible now? Clear? Yes, no, maybe quickly. Our level was such that even one candle, what is in life? Sir, there is some background. The AI. Let's try without AI only. Now I have turned off the AI voice breaking. So I think the voice will be clear, but due to background noise, there will be some disturbance, which is okay. Clear now, we can't hear any disturbance. Okay, perfect, sir, no problem. See, Bank Nifty has given a breakout of this line also now. This can be retracement and another upward momentum. Nifty, finally this line was given for a breakout. Finally it has also given a breakout, so chances of this performing is high. What we'll do is, friends, after crossing this line, okay, we will go ahead and book 50% and then continue to trail, so that the chances of loss decreases. Otherwise, do one thing, book here only and wait for this re-entry somewhere here. It's your wish. From 15-16 points is already done. From here to here is around 22 points. In the meantime, see friends, SBI Life was our buy stock in the morning. Continuous sideways. Now there is a possibility of a breakout like this. This was your breakout and a retest has happened. So now it is possible that it will move up. UPL was our sell stock. In the first 1 hour is what it was in profit. Afterwards, slowly continued to move upwards. In Hero or Zero, we have given Nifty for a buy. Reasons: reason number 1, this breakout. Reason number 2, 38.2 levels where we entered exactly. And reason number 3, we are seeing breakouts in all the 3 index, 1, 2 and 3. So keeping that in mind is what we gave Hero or Zero in Nifty for a buy side. And one more reason to just give you an update. See, if I'm drawing this Fibo from this bottom was today's low till the top, which is here. Where is it? Okay, here. And fortunately this bottom is also a double bottom kind of a level and an important level. See, this was not able to go below 38.2 only. This is your 38.2 level. It came there, it was not able to sustain that level, quickly went up. Again slowly it came there, it just left few wicks below that and again quickly went up. So we took another Fibo with which there is a buy created. Okay. So actually instead of 3 I should be writing 4 reasons. Okay. Those who have not seen the videos for previous Hero and Zero, they can go watch those videos. All the Heroes and Zeros that we have taken are fully logical. Here what has happened is, here one should have booked profits. The reason is simple, there are multiple reasons. 1, 2, 3, multiple touch points that have come here. So that is the reason it is taking rejection from that area. So many people, this is a seller's zone from where sellers are trying to push it downwards. Now ideally Hero or Zero would have been at break of this trend line. I'm darkening it for your understanding. Okay, so there should be a breakout like this and a retest, and here is what you would buy it. What we did, we bought it at a retracement here itself and already captured these points. 90% of people will enter here. By that time we'll book profit and move out. This is like a spinning top candle or a doji candle, something between those two. We have moved to 5 minutes to see that, friends. Okay. Bank Nifty also should give a spinning top here. Actually, two spinning tops. Nifty could not hold above that levels, friends. Nifty is struggling to hold above this levels, 405 levels. Put it in the comments how many of us really entered this position, friends. In the chat, tell me how many of us entered this position. Okay. Today is a Friday, Tuesday. So, as and when you are in profit, keep booking. Otherwise, the premiums are vanishing very quickly. Quick fall, and the premium has vanished completely. Is this fall even in Bank Nifty? Yes. So here we can take an exit also, friends. Why? Because this is another trend line, downward trend line. It is coming to break the trend line. If a candle closes below this trend line and if it retraces upwards, we'll go ahead and exit there, because premiums are quickly vanishing. That doesn't mean that here we'll put a short for a downward target. No, that would be a wrong thing to do. When will we short, friends? See, we have to get a proper reason to short if we are shorting. See, let's move to 5 minutes to get a reason for shorting. See, only below this line is what we'll short. Okay, this I'm marking it red for our reference. Only below this line is what we can short. It has hit the stop loss, friends. So those who did not exit here and are still holding the position can wait for a small retracement. They will exit at the retracement. Long side. Short side at break of this trend line, we are not interested. Now this is a huge retracement that it has given. So those who are afraid trend line is broken, I will not take chances, can exit with this retracement. Those who want to be strong can stay for the target. See, there is a candle that closed below our stop loss, but there was immediate recovery of that entire candle. Okay, that is the reason that we can hold it. Otherwise, those who are afraid can simply exit. That's okay. It is not necessary that all your heroes and zeros give you 1:5, 1:10. No. The problem with Nifty is the levels are not clear. The candles are not usually clear. Unlike Banknifty, the candles are very clear here. In Nifty, the candles are not clear. Why? Because there is less volume there. So see, this was where I told you to take an exit at a retracement, and I told you not to enter on downward direction. So hero R0 has hit the stop loss, friends. This candle has completely closed below that level, and worst part is the 61.8 level is also touched. Now last hope is these candles now, and that is also going down. So stop losses hit in our hero R0. The only thing that we are looking for is for it to break this candle and retest. That's when we might consider for a short. Otherwise, no short. Going further down. Now if it retraces and there is a clear green candle that forms below this line, that's when we can enter in a short, friends. Otherwise, not interested. There is an important level for it to stay. See, there were 3 warnings given on today's live hero R0. One is book profits here. 2 is if it goes down, it will retrace till here. Okay. 3 is we will not be entering for a short here. There were 4 reasons to buy here, which all got proved wrong, friends. See, it gave a very good 1:, how much was the risk to reward here? See, it gave you almost 2.18, which is huge. But did it perform like a hero R0? The answer is no. Even Bank Nifty has come below that line, friends. Bank Nifty entry can be triggered at 50% here. The entire reason for that fall is Nifty. Look at Nifty where it is. Nifty has made a new low today, just now. The Nifty is at its day low. Obviously, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty have to come down. Nifty has fallen below the line. Now at a retracement is what you can consider entering. This would be a short entry, friends. Okay. Even Fin Nifty is almost at its day low. So let it be like this, friends. At below 489 is what you'll enter for a short. Otherwise, no. Because this is one confirmation, we should have another confirmation. And this big Fibo is suggesting a positive this thing. From 50%, there can be a proper buying coming. So don't enter short side. Not interested. Entire blame is put on Nifty, okay? And why did Nifty fall is a big question. We'll have to find the reason for that. Major reason I see is Reliance. Reliance is 1% down, friends. See, where is Reliance? This was the start. It is below that. The day low is here, just like Bank Nifty. Entire reason is Reliance. Okay, for Nifty to fall, the reason is majorly Reliance. In Nifty, I told you not to enter here. Remember? Big savior. Okay, let's invert this Fibo for a short entry now. We will enter short side only if it comes to 523, friends. Remember 523. Yeah, 19,523. Let it break this level, 485 level. Let it break, and then is what we'll see. Otherwise, this area 523 is where we'll sell. In between, no trades. See, this is again the retracement level where we also have resistance. This resistance is coming from almost here. Okay, but then it has crossed that. So if it closes a candle there, then 520 is invalid level, friends. It has to form a doji or something there. That is when we can enter. Otherwise, no. Short side is very risky today. This level has become invalid now because it is hovering at that level for a short side. For reasons to enter is also invalid now. Now, what is the time? It is 1:20. Okay. Now for a hero or zero on a buy side, okay, we have to cross this trend line. Cross of this trend line is what we can start thinking on buy side, otherwise not interested. I'm just trying to pull out the OI chart. What you are looking at now is Nifty option chain, friends. Some 3-4 lakhs at 550. Okay, and at 500 there are 3 lakhs. So as per this data, at least it should close between 500 and 550. Here 500 and 550, yeah. So more or less it would be range bound, friends. Ideally it should become range bound. More or less it has to close somewhere here. Only place where we can buy is after crossing this trend line, important trend line. Okay, this trend line did not work well. Sell side below this area is what we are looking for, sell, but it is very risky. I would say no for that. In 5 minutes this should look like an inverted hammer, friends. Let's see. Look at this inverted hammer, a strong reversal pattern. Okay, at the support we see a clear inverted hammer, this red candle. Okay, this is a reversal pattern, so possibility of upward momentum is very high. Where is the next resistance? Minimum this area, this candle. Okay, but will we buy here? Answer is no, because you will see this big momentum will come up slowly, and if we are buying options with this small momentum you will not gain anything. After crossing this is when you will see big momentum coming in fast, and that's what we are interested in. We are not interested in small and slow in momentums, friends. See, this is your breakdown, a retest of exactly 38.2, and fall can happen again. But we are not interested for sell side trades below. We'll be interested only below this area. So right now not interested. See, we are interested in sell side for Nifty, where we see a rejection at 38.2 levels. So we are interested here in sell side. But hero or zero, we are concentrating on Fin Nifty. So chill. For Bank Nifty, this line, important line, is now acting like a resistance. See, till here it was acting like a support. Here, after breaking this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts are done for it to break this, but nothing is happening. The Nifty has given a good momentum upwards, but we are going to wait for a breakout. Until that, nothing. See, I told you just now in this 5 minutes chart that till here, get this candle, you can see retracement which is slow, and you will not see any big momentum and big movement in options there. Okay, and almost 70-80% of that is done. 20-30% is left. Those who are really interested in sell side also, what they can do is they can extend this trend line like this and be prepared for sell. Stop loss will be very small. Only reason why they should sell at this trend line is because stop loss is small. What a quick fall. That fall is also due to Nifty is what it looks like. See, exact 50% rejection, friends, down. I am putting a poll, friends. Please respond to the poll. We took one trade that went in profit, again hit the stop loss, and so we are asking this question. It is 2:30 now. So the question is, should we be waiting for 3 o'clock candle or should we close the hero or zero stream? Because we took one trade and that is already in loss. If you look at it that way, it gave 1:2, but if someone who stayed for this target, SL is done. So should we wait or close it? Is the question. At this breakout, you can target this particular levels, friends, but how much? 25 to 36, 11 points, no point. 11 points and all is time pass. That will go in brokerage only. Okay, currently the poll says wait. There are 2 people who took the poll and there are 4 people watching. Rest 2 are sleeping probably. See, at the break of this trend line, okay, we can go for a long. That doesn't mean we'll go long here only at this trend line. Yeah, this is your important trend line. Let this be there. Okay, if there is any doji candle formation very close to this candle, the top of that doji will be your stop loss and we will sell. Okay, this area very close to this candle. If you're watching the stream and your time is not 14:39 now, you may have to watch the stream in double speed. Okay, I have given the time on the top left here. Okay, if that time and your time is not matching, then watch it in double speed, friends. Two x speed, otherwise you lose out on the momentum. Reliance want to fall further. See, this is your breakdown. Small retest, again fall, and there is a target here. At this level, there will be people who will have their stop losses, so those will be kicked out. With that fall, your Nifty will fall a little. Okay, with that fall, your Banknifty and Nifty will also fall a little. So at this level, we will short Nifty and wait for fall in Reliance. this can be a breakout. Okay, not so important, but yes, and this will be the target in that case. So someone wants to enter for 10-11 points, can do that, but then most of this will go off in the brokerage. Having said that, immediately one green candle gave a nice breakout. Finally friends, in Bank Nifty, just because we stopped this trend line here, that resistance that this trend line was giving did not give a resistance here, and a breakout happened and a retest. Nifty, we are still negative on Nifty, but for multiple reasons. One is 50% level, two is reliance, three is this is again a breakdown. This is again a breakdown. So we are negative on Nifty. In Nifty, I told you those who are interested can book this area. Small profit done if you have booked, very good. Now here, a little more, it's around 40 to 44. It is 540 to 544. We are looking for negativity or negative candle for a short entry in Fin Nifty. Now you'll ask me, sir, all this momentum could have been captured. No, answer is no, friends. I told you not to enter at this 38.2 levels also. You have seen this. I told you we are not okay to sell at even this breakdown. So these are all saving points, friends. These are the things where we saved money. I told you at this breakout there will be some 10-15 points quick momentum. That happened. Those who captured, very good, but it was only 10 points, so I didn't consider it. Now there is a doji here. See, only problem with doji in Fin Nifty is it is not so clear. There is a doji even in Bank Nifty. This is a clear doji, friends. This one is not so clear. Nifty struggling to stay above this line. here with this breakout we can create a buy position, friends. Breakout followed by retest. Okay, good breakout in Banknifty also. Nifty, I'm expecting a breakout. Now see, this is your bear angle and also it is a downward channel. Okay, the possibility of breakout is highest in downward channel, friends. So our favorite stock Nifty is what we'll buy because that is the hero or zero today. Okay, for this target to begin with. Okay, where will we buy? For that we'll draw this fibbo. Ready, small fibbo. Best place would be here, but otherwise we'll buy it here also. Another 3 rupees down is what we can buy it. This area is touched. In 5 minutes. Remember, this is where we told it will touch for sure. It has come almost 90% of that. Here there is one problem in the setup, friends. For buy side, see, this is your first green candle, this second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 continuous green candles. So little question mark there. Positive thing about this setup is, okay, chalo, let's create a buy position here first, then I'll talk about the setup. Okay, here we are creating a buy position on this candle. This would be our target. Stop loss 50% level. Okay, so below this trend line and above the 50% level is our stop loss. So what I was just telling is, see this upward momentum when you are looking at it in a 5-minute time frame. Okay, you see all green candles, I agree, but then when you are looking at it on a shorter time frame, there is proper retracement, and this is showing a low, a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, and now see this has hit the stop loss. Let it close a candle below that and we will exit. And that's what happens when there is a doji. And the reason is again Nifty. So even the candle has closed there. straight fall. This was an unnecessary entry that we took and book loss. So basically, if you look at it in this 5 minutes again, what would happen is the 6 candles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were engulfed by only one stop loss candle. Simple. It was simple pump and one dump. That's all. Oh, this time even Nifty fell quite a bit. In Nifty, what do we see? Look at this carefully. A left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. At that level is what it came and fell. This is in Banknifty. Okay, Nifty. See, this was an upward channel and it gave a downward breakdown. Why? Because of 50% rejection. A new all-time low or new day low is formed here. Nifty still did not form the day low. That is the only thing. We expected a closure between this area only. Chalo, should we be closing the stream now, friends? SBI Life finally went and hit the stop loss. UPL is performing now. This was the breakdown followed by some retest and downward momentum. Reliance, as we mentioned, it will go and hit the stop loss. There it is. So the strategy of Reliance with Nifty was perfect, friends. Okay, we should have entered at this doji for a fall. That was a perfect strategy. Anyways, part of the game. So for now we'll be closing with our closing music. There is the entire expiry looks like Nifty expiry looks like sideways. Since morning it is in this particular range only. No breakout, nothing. For buy, people who would have entered only at a breakout and a retest here, they are the only ones who would have made money. Otherwise it is all sideways game. Option sellers who sold here in this area are in full profit. See, Bank Nifty is again retracing from this level also. 90% of people, retailers, would have seen this head and shoulder. Okay, and at this breakdown is what they will enter. This retest. It will go little down and continue upwards is what I feel. But then it's already 3 friends, so no point in entering. Okay, again back to this level. From here again it will slowly retrace. Here one more thing we could have thought about is, see, this is your upward channel. Okay, this is your upward channel, and at the top of your upward channel there is a doji candle. So this is a right place to short. There was a breakdown and short gave a very good money. But still, that's fine. The reason why we were bullish is because of the bigger Fibo in place. Bigger figure still suggests positivity, friends. Okay, we cannot ignore this big picture and go like sellers. Okay, this is your bigger Fibo that is still suggesting positivity. And if I draw another thing here, you will be even more shocked. See, this is your channel. Okay, with this channel Ideally one should be buying only, one should not be selling. Until this is in this channel, it will continue to be sideways, and today being expiry, there is not going to be any momentum, forget about it. Okay, so we are going to close the stream with our closing music. No big profits made, one or two small 1:2, 1:1 is done, so that is not a very big momentum. Now see friends, as after even we close, within next 5 minutes, if you see a breakout of this area, you can still buy for the top. You see Banknifty, as discussed, it went down. Here is what it captured or invited sellers. From here it can continue going upwards, except if Nifty has to perform there. Let's also take a view of Nifty from the bottom here till the top. See, Nifty can go down another 15 points friends, where it has got its strong support. It's trading at around 60, 45, 46 is what it can make easily. That is where it is having a strong support, and it will continue upwards. So strategy is simple. In next 2-3 minutes, if Nifty goes till here 45 area, okay, some 15-20 points down, and gives a positive doji or a engulfing, it has given engulfing here itself, that's when we can choose it for a buy. We will choose buy on Fin Nifty there. Okay, it's almost 3 o'clock friends. We are closing the stream with our regular closing music. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you had some learnings. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, family members, everyone. Basically someone who wants to learn friends. So, thanks for watching again.